Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a 20-minute air fryer empanada. Today's recipe is a really easy one. I haven't done a lot of air fryer recipes lately. I've done a lot of baking and different kinds of stuff. So I kind of want to go back to doing more air fryer ones because they're super simple and they're very easy recipe friendly. So if you're someone who's new to cooking, these are really great ones that you can try. So first thing we need to do for our empanadas is we're gonna grate some onion. So I have a Vidalia onion here. I'm gonna just cut off the top and let's go ahead and peel that outside layer. And if you guys are ever wondering what kind of things I use, what are my favorite snacks, what are my favorite ingredients, what are my favorite tools I use in the kitchen, head to my Amazon storefront. The link is in the description below. I'm now going to take the medium size or large size grater on my grater, and I'm gonna take my onion and we're just going to grate just a little bit of the onion. I would say for about each quarter of a pound of ground beef that you're gonna use for this recipe, you want about a tablespoon of grated onion. And of course, all the ingredients, measurements, everything will be in the description below, so no need to take notes, just head down there to see everything I'm using. I'm bringing over my ground beef. I just have some 80% lean ground beef, so I do want some of that fat content in there. I'm gonna drop in that grated onion. And now let's go ahead and season. So I'm gonna add some black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and some smoked paprika. Also, if you have some fresh oregano, I have some growing in my garden, go ahead and rip some of those leaves up in there. I just kind of do like rip it up roughly. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to chop it or anything. You could also just use dried oregano if you don't have fresh oregano. I'm gonna go ahead now and put my glove on. Almost forgot one more ingredient. I'm gonna add a little bit of minced garlic. I'm just using the one that's in a jar. Doesn't matter, you could use fresh, one in a jar, doesn't really matter which one you use. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix all these ingredients together. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. And if you know someone that would love this recipe, hit that share button as well and share this video with them. Let's go ahead and set the meat aside because we need to work on our actual empanada itself. Now, this is a gluten-free version, so I'm gonna be using rice paper. This is also going to be less calorically dense than if you used obviously like regular dough for your empanada. So I'm gonna be using these Blue Dragon spring roll wrappers. You can use whichever one is available to you as long as it is rice paper. And into a plate, I'm going to add 2 large eggs. I'm gonna crack them in there. Let's go ahead and break those eggs and whisk. I'm also gonna take some filtered water, just maybe do like a teaspoon, just to make this egg wash a little bit more watery. For each empanada, you want 2 of the spring roll wrappers or your rice paper. So you're gonna take one at a time and you're going to dip it into your egg wash, making sure that it gets coated on both sides. Just take your time with this, be gentle. And then once you've coated it in that egg wash, go ahead and put it on a cutting board or another surface. I'm gonna lay it on my cutting board and I'm gonna do the same thing with my second rice paper. And you wanna make sure when you're doing this egg wash dip that you're kind of letting any excess egg wash come off of the rice paper because you don't want it to really be soaking it, you know, all over the place. It's just gonna get a little bit too messy. Now that we have our rice paper and we have, again, 2 layers of the rice paper, to 1/2 of it, I'm going to add my ground beef. So for about every single empanada that you're going to make, you're gonna need 1/8 of a pound of ground beef. And again, I like to use the 80-20 ground beef because it has a little bit more fat and it's not too lean. You could use the 85% as well, really up to your preference. And there's no problem either with using the 90% lean. I just like a little bit of the fat content in there. I think it gives great flavor. So I'm just taking that ground beef and I am pressing it into 1/2 of my rice paper. And you just kind of want to spread it out in an even layer. And you basically, the way that you're spreading it out, you want to make sure that there's maybe about an inch or so away from the edge of the rice paper. So you can see that there's this 1-inch edge around. That's what you want. Now I'm going to take a melty cheese. I'm going to be using just quesadilla cheese. That's literally what it's called. It's a good melting cheese. You could use low moisture mozzarella. Either one of those are fine. And you're just gonna put some on top of the ground beef and I just kind of press it in there. Not too much, just a thin layer. We're ready to fold. Let's go ahead and pick up that rice paper gently. And just be gentle with it. You're gonna lift it up. And we're gonna fold it over, sealing on the other side. So you're just gonna kind of press around, just like you would a regular empanada. And you're gonna go ahead and just seal everything in. Make sure that it is well sealed so none of the cheese or none of the juices from the ground beef actually come out when you're cooking it. Now that it's sealed, I'm gonna take some sesame seeds, totally optional, but it just adds a nice little decorative finish. And I'm just going to lightly sprinkle on top. Adds a little bit of a crunch and also just visually looks a little bit better. This one's ready to go. Let me go ahead and make my second one and then we're gonna put it in our air fryer. Now that we've finished our empanada, again, it's gonna depend on the size of yours. We're going to gently transfer it to our air fryer. I do have an air fryer liner right here and I'm using my Tasty air fryer. If you wanna purchase a Tasty air fryer, I have a discount code in the description below. We're gonna gently lift this off and put it into the air fryer tray. Now that our empanada is in the air fryer tray, we're ready to throw it into the air fryer. It's going to cook at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You're just looking for it to be completely crispy on the outside and cooked. And that is it for our simple, and this is probably the simplest air fryer empanada recipe that you're gonna find. It's gluten-free, it's crispy, beefy, cheesy, packed with flavor, and best thing, not only is it easy to make, but it only took us 20 minutes to make this whole recipe. Let's see how crispy this is. I mean, perfect crisp. Now let's get a cross section. It's so nice and cheesy. It's super, super delicious. Now we gotta do our taste test. Cheers, guys. That is absolutely incredible. It's the perfect crunch and crisp. I mean, you could hear the crisp. So, so good. Also, it's less calorically dense, perfect for your macros, and a super simple recipe. And I know you guys will love it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.